Once you see how easy it is to make your own cookie butter at home, you'll never want to buy the jarred stuff again. My version uses brown butter, which adds an insanely delicious nutty and caramelly flavor you'll never get from store-bought cookie butter. All you need is some butter, a pack of Biscoff cookies, some cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Start by melting your butter over medium-low heat. It'll bubble and foam, and eventually the milk solids will separate out, start to toast, and then turn golden brown. Keep stirring the butter as it cooks so that none of the milk solids settle on the bottom and burn. I like using a light-colored pan so it's easy to tell when it's done browning because it can go from perfect to burnt in just a few seconds. Take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. Put the cookies in a food processor and blitz them into fine crumbs. Pour in the cooled down brown butter and process until it's smooth. If it still looks a bit dry, you can drizzle in a little bit of neutral tasting oil or melted butter to adjust the consistency to your liking. Then add the cinnamon and salt and mix it in. If you want the cookie butter to be extra smooth, you can puree it in a blender. Transfer it to an airtight container. It's pourable now, but it will firm up in the fridge. There you have it, delicious creamy cookie butter you'll want to eat by the spoonful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and for more pantry staples that blow store-bought out of the water, check out this playlist next.